this is a work from Zach Dockery. This is an artist research, and I did some, I think this is a Photoshop, I believe. I did some work on that. And got artist research, Carl Burton. Again, played around with colors and these type of effects using Photoshop. And then here we have my journey photos that I took while I was in a bus on the way to college. And then we got concertina book photos. This was the final major project that we were gonna do. We were gonna make small concertina books. So these are the images that I took experiments wise. And got another arts research, John and Mark did a little laser cut work in here. Okay, there we go. This is my concertina book sample. So this is basically my journey in a concertina book. And then we have my time drawing exercise. Some illustration that I've done. Then you've got continuous lines, shadows. And then this is another artist research, Kendra Haste. Did a little wire experiment here. Just inspired by her work. And this was the bus. And we've got, this was the life drawing that we've done. So this was a lady who just stood in the middle and we just drew her for 5 minutes, and then she changes pose every second. And this was quite a fun exercise that we've done. And this was a geometric version of it we did. And this was, I believe, her motion drawing. So we just draw what kind of movements she does. She changes it up every minute, and yeah, we put it onto one. Got artist research, David Gaberla? Sorry, I can't really read my handwriting. And this is some final outcomes and plannings I had. This was my A1 final piece. So this was a double exposure. It's my face and a landscape, which is trees, and just some colorful sky, I believe. And just, yeah, played around with that. And then this was my journey book. That was similar to my concertina book. And I did a time-lapse movie video using Premiere Pro. Yeah. And this was my 3D projection using an acetate drawing. And I drew of a brick with a male figure with some words, and projected it on and took some photos of it with my friend and just projected it onto him. Just played around the contact sheet. And this is my little illustration of a portrait using a map, and just drew it on her face, just played with it. And this was my GIF. I didn't exactly know how this went, but I think it was quite difficult for me to do back then. And yeah, I played around with Photoshop. And yeah, this is my inspired look of my final piece. This was some projection planning of what I was going to do with my final piece there as well. This was the long exposure experiments that I've done. Some planning. Here's some final piece planning, more planning. And yeah, that's it.